Hi, I'm Mark Matthews with NOARK Electric. I'm here to talk to you today about an exciting new product called the Ex9RCA Safety Control Relay. The Ex9RCA is designed to provide fail-safe performance for safety function applications like e-stops, light curtains, safety interlocks, and safety gates. It features mechanically linked contacts for use on safety feedback circuits with up to 6 normally closed contacts. When installed, the normally closed contacts are force-guided with the normally open contacts, making the Ex9RCA ideal for SRP-CS applications. The force-guided mechanically linked contacts as per IEC UL 60947-5-1 Annex L. The mechanically linked contact symbol is prominently displayed on the front cover. The fixed transparent anti-dust cover allows easy identification of the device status and prevents manual operation. AC or DC operating coils are available on 4-pole models. Extended contact configurations are available up to 8 poles with permanent front block. The Ex9RCA easily mounts on 35mm DIN rail or on panels and is backed by NOARK's exclusive 5-year limited warranty. The Ex9RCA is CUL US listed, CCC, and CE certified. Learn more about this product by going to na.noark-electric.com.